Good morning, children. You are preparing for your half-yearly examination? Yes, we are doing the revision for our half-yearly examination. Already we have completed many lessons. Today, we will do the revision of the lesson number 4, solid, liquids and gases. Children, you know our earth is filled with different types of material, and all the materials are present on earth only in three forms, that are solid, liquid, gases. And what are solids? Solids are the material which have fixed shape, and they don't flow, can't flow. They have a fixed shape, they are hard. No? And what are liquids? Liquids can't flow. They are, and they don't have fixed shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are poured. जिस बर्तन में रखते हैं वे उसी का शेप ले लेते हैं, and it can flow. And the another type is gas. They don't have fixed shape and volume. They spread all over the space present in that, na? And children, these three forms can be changed from one to another. ये एक दूसरे में बदल भी जाते हैं. How? Either by heating or by cooling. By heating or cooling, these three forms of solid, liquid and gases can be changed. Let's see. Chalo, I am going to show you one PDF book pages where you will find these things. What is freezing? The process by which a liquid changes into its solid form. जब liquid solid form में change होता है, this is the, you can see here. Yes. What is freezing? The process by which a liquid changes into its solid form. You keep water inside the refrigerator, it changes into ice, that is solid, is called freezing. Children, and what is melting? It is just opposite. The process by which a solid changes into its liquid form. Okay, this is called melting. Okay, and a wax melt when, okay, a candle melt na, and butter melts na. And why this melting is due to the heating, and this freezing is due to the cooling. As I have told, the forms of the matter can be changed either by heating or by cooling. And what is evaporation? The process by which a liquid changes into its gaseous form. When you heat water, you give a temperature, what happens? It started changing into water vapor. Children, if you will keep a water in a bowl outside in a high sun, what you will see? After some hours, you won't be able to see the water. What happened with that water? It evaporates. Why? Because it gets heated by the sun rays. And due to the heating, the water that is in liquid form changes into its gaseous form. And what is this process called? This process is called evaporation. Children, if in exam, a picture will be shown to you that a mother is drying a clothes, or the clothes are being drying in the sun. And I can ask, name the process which is going on. I am freezing, melting or evaporation. You can find out the right answer. It is evaporation, yes or no? Yes, of course you can do. Come to the next, that is condensation. The process by which gas changes into its liquid form. And this is done due to cooling. The condensation is done due to cooling. It is the process by which a gas changes into its liquid form. When you keep a lid, the water vapor coming from the boiling water, what you will see, the small water droplets will be formed. How it is formed? Due to the cooling of these water vapor. Okay. And children, why it's rain? On earth there is raining. This is also due to condensation, because the water present in the seas and rivers, it evaporates due to the heat of the sun. And when it evaporates, it goes up. And after that, when it goes the cold temperature there, it changes into water form. And the water droplets come and they join together and they form on the earth in the form of rain. And the what process occurs? Condensation. Let's revise the important point of the lesson. All the things around us are present in three forms: solid, liquid, gases. If the question will be asked, name the three forms of the water, and name the three, it can be asked, name the three forms of the water. What you will write? Ice, water vapor, and water itself. Name the form of the things, material which have fixed shape. Solid. Solids have a fixed shape. And liquids do not have a fixed shape. What is the main thing? The liquid take the shape of the container in which you keep them. आप जिस कंटेनर में लिक्विड को रखते हो, लिक्विड उसका शेप ले लेता है ना. If we keep the liquid in a circular thing, in a jug, it will take the shape of the jug. When you will keep it in a glass, it will take the shape of the glass. And which flows? Liquid flows. And the gases do not have fixed shape. Gases is spread throughout the space available to them. Okay. Now, today we have done these things, the change of form, freezing, melting, evaporation, condensation. Let's do the next. The book exercise. Which of the following is a solid? Air, milk, or book? Of course, book is solid. You all have done. Let's revise. Which of the following flows? Water, gas, both of these. The right answer is both of these flows. Na? Water flows as well as gas also flows. Which of the following is spread all over the space present? Of course, gas. Gas, it is spread all over the space present. Which of the following is not a form of water? Ice is a form of water, solid form of water. Steam is a gaseous form of water. The vapor. Vapor is not the form of water. Na? This is the right answer. Which is not a form of water? Vapor. Come to the next. What is the process by which a liquid changes into its gaseous form? The process is called evaporation, and it is done due to heating or cooling. Of course, heating. Okay? You will be able to do these questions if it will come in exam. Of course. Let's do the next, revise the next. Solids have a fixed shape. True. Liquids take the shape of the container in which you keep them. Yes, of course it is true. Water freezes to form water vapor. Water freeze होके water vapor में बदलता है? No, this is false. The water freeze होके किस में बदलता है? It changes into ice. And water vapor condenses to form water. Yes, it is true. The water vapor condenses to form water. Butter melts on freezing. Butter जो है freezing होने पे melt होता है. फ्रिज में आप बटर को मेल्ट रखते हो तो क्या वो मेल्ट होता है? No, it is false. बटर कब मेल्ट होता है? When you give the temperature, ना? And give the two examples of solid. Pencil, eraser. You can write any other example also. Liquids, water, milk, juice, many things. Gases, air, water vapor. You can write the name of the gas also. Oxygen, carbon dioxide. And then things that melt. You have to give the examples of the thing that melts. Ice and butter. And what is the another thing which melts? Wax also, ना? Wax भी तो melt करता है ना? Okay, children? You have learned many things. We have done the book exercises and the forms of the water, how it's changed from one to the another. We have done, okay? And the book exercises. Children, you read each and every line of the question. If many activities, pictures are there in your book, if it will be shown, you can identify. There will be no labeling. You can identify and write what is going on in this picture. If the picture of evaporation is there, you will write evaporation. If the picture of condensation will be given, you will write condensation. Okay? There are many pictures made on your book. I want to show you, as we have already done. These are the pictures of activities. We have done all these. Suppose this middle one, this picture is given, and this will be not written there, the name, and it can be asked, name the process which is going on in this picture. A solid is being changed into liquid. So which process is going on here? This is the process of melting. You can take the correct option. It can be written condensation, evaporation, melting. You can find out the right answer. Of course you can. This can be given or this can be given. Anyone can be given. Can you identify? And suppose this picture is given. This is. What is going on in this picture? You see, tell me what is this in this picture, what is going on? Water is being heated on the gas stove. And what is coming out? This steam is coming out. You can see now. And which process is going on in this picture, beta? Which process? Tell me. This is evaporation. What is this? This is evaporation. Like that, the things will come. You will be able to answer all such questions. Yes. And in the checkpoint on the page number 36, it is asked, you can see, solids do not change their shape, smell or color. What solid changes? क्या चीज नहीं change कर पाते हैं? Of course, shape. Milk, wood or steam is an example of solid. Of course, wood. We all have done these exercises. Just revising. Water, juice, oil are the examples of liquids. We need a container to hold paper, liquids और chairs. क्या चीज रखने के लिए हमको कंटेनर की जरूरत होती है? Of course, liquid. Why? Because liquid flow. हमको कंटेनर की जरूरत क्यों होती है? Because liquid has a special characteristic. It flows. Okay? So we need a container to keep it. Now, a solid, a gas or a liquid spread all over. Which spread all over? Of course, a gas. A gas is having a characteristic to spread all over. Why it spreads, beta? Because it has a very less force of attraction between the molecules. Everything is made up of molecules. If the attraction of the molecules between them are very high, they are strongly packed, the thing will be solid. And if the force of the attraction is less, then it will be liquid. And if the force of the attraction is almost nil, then the thing will be, what will be the thing? The thing will be gas. Okay? We have done these all things, na beta? Here you can see. Solids do not change its shape. Milk, wood or steam is an example of solid. Wood, water, juice and oil are the examples of liquids. We need a container to hold paper, liquid or chair. Liquids, a solid, a gas or liquid spread all over. Gas, And you can identify in this picture what process is going on. It is evaporation. And children, you get the characteristic of gas is gas occupy the entire space available to them. Now, you can identify this picture. Suppose this picture can be given in exam. It can. And it will be asked, which process is going on here? A butter is being melted. Which process is going on here? Evaporation, condensation or melting? You will write melting. Which process is going on here? Melting. And if this picture will be given, what is going on here? Freezing. And if this picture will be given, what is going on here? Evaporation. You can do this, na beta? Now, this is the worksheet you have already done. Ice is the solid form of water. True. Water changes into water vapor on cooling. It is false. Liquids have a fixed shape. It is false. Gases can be kept in a container, closed container. True, because they move. And here are the things which you have to categorize, whether it is solid or liquid or gas. Book is solid. Pencil is solid. Air is gas. Orange juice liquid. Rock पत्थर क्या है? Solid. Straw solid. Chair solid. Soup liquid. Steam gas. Milk liquid. Now filling the missing word. Ice is being changed into water. The process is called melting. And when water is being changed into ice, this can become an exam. This picture can become and you have to write. Water is being changed into ice. Then what you will write here? यहाँ पे आप क्या लिखोगे? What you will write here? Find out, beta. What you will write here? Water is being changed into ice. Water जब ice में बदलता है तो उसको क्या कहते हैं? Freezing. F-R-E-E-Z-I-N-G. Freezing. And you see in this picture, water is being changed into water vapor. What process you will write here? Water changes into water vapor. Evaporation. E-V-A. What you will write? P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N. Evaporation. You all will be able to do this? Of course, you all will be able to do this. Okay, children? Now, let's do another exercise. Okay? Come to another one, children. I will provide the worksheet which you will get in your, where you will get? In your e-content. In which chapter? Revision. In which chapter you will get that? Revision. Okay? And half yearly revision chapter will be there where you will getting the earlier. पहले भी मैंने दिया उसमें worksheets. From there you can find the solved one. I have given some extra worksheets are also there. You try to solve yourself. Then you write in your revision notebook or you can write in your fair notebook. And learn all the things which we are giving in worksheet form or in the book exercises. You read each and every line of the chapter and definitely you will be able to solve all the questions given in your half-yearly examination. Bye-bye children. Meet you soon in the next